Hello guys, this is a quick video about charging regular batteries. Yes, not the rechargeable ones. My name is Piotr Fissner, and as you see here we've got 3 volts and here we've got 0 in a current. Yes, if I'll remove energizers, yes, these are energizers, you'll see that this will change. Yes, 3 and 0. No, it didn't. Why? Because they are charged. Now I'll get you another energizer. Here one, that one, the same one, and second different one. Okay, here they are. I'll make it like that. I'll make it space here. Sorry for the wee mess, but I'm fixing one TV here. So let us see if we can do any better. Okay, because I know you've been told that we don't charge regular batteries. But let's see, we've got 2 volts, okay, and we've got minus, we've got a plus, and we've got 1.196, yes, 1.195, 1.956. Now this one is some blue one, max plus, not max, yes, same story. It's only 0.46, say 497, yes. So now what we can do is, I want to show you 2 things simultaneously. So I want to show you that I've got 0 amps in a current and voltage 3 volts, okay. And now when I'll insert it, you'll see what will happen, okay. You see the current is taken. So 0.21, that's a lot, 0.2, that this one is really empty. So what's happening now is the current is going through and this will charge. It's not even getting any hot or anything. If you want to be extra safe, yes, don't do it pretty much. There can be always something wrong, something dangerous with it, so you're doing it on your own responsibility, of course, and everyone will say you that, almost everyone. Second of all, yes, you can save up money on batteries. You can charge many times. You can charge, like me, AAA size and AA size and R9s, whatever other size you might wanna. First several charges, if they are okay, then you will be charging them more times, yes. It's going quite quickly down to 0.5 about, and then it's going slowly to 0, yes, like several hours might. That's a 10 amp, that's 30 volts and 10 amps, so that's a good power supply, lab power supply. And I set it up on 3 volts, and then it's taking as much current as it needs. As I said, it doesn't get any warm, and I don't know if I've got my thermal cam here, but if I do, oh yeah, I've got it. Okay, I'll show you the temp. It's just regular room temperature, but it's nothing, no, like 28, yes. No, it's the opposite way, I know it. So look, we get like 27, 28, it's nothing, 27, 28, so they are not even getting warm or anything, you know, you can charge them, no problem. If you would say, you know, that it's dangerous, well, it is and it's not. I'm doing it, you know. My kids are using a lot of batteries, you know, tons of batteries. So not all of the devices it's worth to use rechargeable ones, yes, like in the remotes, for instance. In the remote, you change them at least each several months, or sometimes, you know, it might be for a few years if you're lucky. But then why you would have to spend money if you can just charge them? Yes, you need a good power supply. If you don't, if you know what you can use instead, brilliant. You know, you need to have stabilized current. You can use like current stabilizers and voltage stabilizers, series L. You can read about them, and you can set up, for instance, for 3 volts, 78003, I think it will be L78. I can Google it for you actually, to be true. Voltage stabilizer. Let's go here. My browser need an update. Okay, switch electronics. Here we can go to semiconductors, voltage regulators, yes, and fixed voltage regulators. And you can use, okay, so the 5 volts will be L7805 CV, yes, that's 5 voltage regulator. So what it is that you can put up to 35 volts on it, but it will still drop to 5 volts, yes, and it will be stable. And then what's happening, you know, you can maybe check, maybe you can have 3 volt as well. If no, you will have to have 3 or 4 batteries, yes, in a series, and you can use that one, or you can put if you know how to drop the voltage as well, but I don't use more than 1.5 volt per one single battery, yes, because they are 1.5 volts. Then 1.2 are those rechargeable ones, so then again I don't put more than 1.2. As you see, it's quite quickly dropped down from 0.21 to 0.11, and that's what it does. As long as they are not getting hot, you know, or they are not giving you weird sounds, they are fine, and after a few times you will see that they are still okay, yes, after several charges. So yes, you can charge them, and if somebody will say you know, you've got a good proof that you can, only this has to drop down to 0, yes. That's why it's better to use good power supply rather than using just any power supply. You can use even computer power supply or a regular AC to DC stabilized power supply. You can use any power supply if you know how to drive properly the voltage, so that you don't overcharge it, and know your limits, yes. So that's it. You see, 2 energizers. They will be here till I will go sleep. When I'll go sleep, I will see how this much will drop. If this will be about 0.02 or 3, I won't even be charging them more. I will save 1 cycle of charging for later, because I can always charge it later, and I've got many charged ones anyway, and I've got rechargeable ones as well, so I'm not short on batteries at home. And you don't have to be as well. So guys, hopefully you've got some good lesson out of it. Please don't make anything stupid. Yes, you're doing it on your own risk, I'm telling you again, but it is more than possible to charge them, and good luck with that if you will ever do it. Bye bye.